Easy pizza dough recipe. 7 grams of fresh yeast, half of teaspoon sugar, some warm water just to cover it up. Cover it with plastic wrap for 10 to 15 minutes. 300 grams of all-purpose flour, pinch of salt. Mix well. Pour in the activated yeast. About 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, half a cup of lukewarm water. Mix well. After about 4 minutes it is super soft and sticky. Cover with a plastic wrap and a kitchen towel for 1 hour. After 1 hour it has tripled and full with air bubbles. Put some semolina flour on the working surface. Put the dough onto the surface. Knead for 5 minutes. Back into the bowl. Cover with a plastic wrap and a kitchen towel for 1 hour. After 1 hour the dough is ready for baking your delicious pizza. Prepare the pizza pan with some semolina. Stretch the pizza dough. And your pizza is good to go to the preheated oven. Enjoy and share with your friends.